How to apply for Klarna as a business. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel The Solution Guy. So in today's video I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can apply for Klarna as a business, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now Klarna is just one of the popular e-commerce platforms that you can use to buy as well as sell products. So if you're a shopper, you can use to shop products, and if you're a business, you can use it to sell your own products by creating your marketplace. Now the process I'm going to describe can be done both in your PC as well as your browser or from a mobile phone. All you have to do is simply, first of all, open up your favorite browser. Once you open up your browser, you want to simply search for a keyword called Klarna business. Now when you search for Klarna business, you might have two of the most top search results. One is the business for the UK, the other is for the US. So depending upon whether you live in the UK or US, I want you to select either of these that says Klarna for business over here. Once you select Klarna for business, now by default what you want to do is you'll just land on this page where you have to tap on the option called get started. So you want to make sure to tap on it. As you tap on the get started button, it will ask you for a couple of other questionnaires over here. So basically it's going to ask me to simply enter my business email address as well as my e-commerce URL and my country of registration. So let me go ahead and then make sure to enter all of these details here. So once you make sure to enter your business email address as well as your website URL as well as your country of registration, you want to make sure to just tap the continue button. Now you want to make sure that these are all your legal details, because later on Klarna is going to ask you to verify with a valid document of your company's or your shop's registration. So you want to be careful on that one. It'll ask you for some other questionnaires like your yearly revenue and so on. Make sure to fill in all the questionnaires, and it'll also ask you as to what kind of categories apply to your business. So you can just go ahead and select that option as well respectively. Once you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions after this and then go ahead and successfully register your business on Klarna. That is it for today's video on how you can apply for Klarna as a business. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.